right, everybody, so today we are headed off to Dart 'em Up with the cousins, and apparently Dart 'em Up is a place where you get involved with, what is it, you shoot people with guns, except they don't kill people. No, oh, Nerf guns? Oh. So that's where we're off to. I have come wearing tactical attire so that people can't see me and I can shoot them in the face. Is that what we're supposed to do? Oh, my mistake. I didn't know that. So it should be a fun day. All right, so fun fact, in this parking lot right about there used to be a Hollywood video, and that's back around the year 2000. I would go there 3, 4, 5 times per week, rent multiple movies and watch a ton of them. So right over there is where much of my love for movies began. Okay, so we came dressed in dark clothing, prepared for tactical warfare in the dark, and everything appears to be fluorescent and bright. We could be in trouble.
That does mean is we do also have a...
So I wore all black, and then they made me wear this jersey. Came all prepared. Punisher shirt and all, and couldn't use it. Tactical black was not a good idea, but got this nice double revolver thing.
I'll capture the punch words. If you get shot, head to the...
Warmer in here than I was expecting. I guess that's what happens when you run around. We're back at it. This is a little bit more intense than I'm used to. He's discovered Pac-Man. Buddy, was that fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
We got to shoot Nerf guns.
Oh yeah, I got to shoot Nerf guns. Did you shoot me in the face?
No.
Yeah, he shot me in the face multiple times. Right in the face. I actually went to high school right over there. Fun, totally random fact. I apparently went to high school, same high school as Angry Joe, the other much more famous YouTuber guy, at the same time. I'm like 4 years older than him, so he was like a freshman or whatever. So I didn't know him or anything like that, but I found that out recently and saw him at a movie premiere for Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. But yeah, we both went to high school right a quarter of a mile right over there. All right, now we're having a birthday dinner for my mother. This whole thing was about my mother's birthday, even though she wasn't there. So we're at this place called Rudy's that has this hand washing machine. Go for it, just put them in. So we are eating dead animals. This is real barbecue. It's called brisket, sausage. You eat it whole, you don't grind it up. This is how it's done. Right, the baby?
watch you eating, I'm sure.
So, the internet is very interested in me.
Daddy.
Yeah. That's
Daddy.
special.
We're at lunch. We were eating lunch.
Videotaping yourself stuffing your face? Yes. Yes, he is. Consider nothing.
She smiled at me.
She's talking to you.
So close.
Oh, man.
So close.
Look at that man trying to take your picture again.
Final bite.
His wife tried to steal his phone so I couldn't film it.
Here we go.
Alright. You were very weird, brother.
What did I do wrong?
I have no clue what you said because here's what it sounded like.
Okay, it's the next day. We just happened to be at a place called Mighty Fine. It's actually owned by the same people that own Rudy's that we were at yesterday, and they also have the hand washing machine.
It's like the other one.
I don't think you got that last time I was with you.
I'm in the bathroom. Normally I don't film in the bathroom, but here they have a mirror that you can see through into the room. So while you're going wee-wee, it feels like everyone is watching you. That's a cool feature right there. I don't know why they have it, but they do.